brightness down. Give me 1 second, guys, to adjust. Okay, it's October 2nd, 2019. Let me give you the time. 8:19 p.m. The moon's at 20% illumination. Right now I'm zoomed all the way out on everything using Celestron Nexstar 8SE 8-inch telescope and an LG Aristo 3 16 megapixel smartphone camera. It does really good actually. So let's go ahead and start on the south side, and it's going to brighten up on us real quick as soon as I touch the screen, but just stick with me. And we're going to go to, we're just going to, actually, you know what, we're going to go all the way to 4 times zoom. And we'll just start down here and check out the Terminator line for sure. Okay, let me turn down the brightness, it's really killing us here. Okay, that's much better. Alright, so right away, I mean, we got this little bright spot here. You're going to have to just bear with me while I focus. Everything I'm doing is manual. Okay. So you got this string of lights that goes out. Now tell me that's just not cool as can be. I mean, that is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. Look at that. Oh, man. Yep. Love that. Let's get another picture. Okay, we're going to move it over. Let's see what else do we have going on. Here's something that sticks out to me. Okay, just bear with me on the shaking. I know it's bad. Look at these 2 little points right in the center, sticking up, poking up and out, right in front of that dark crater. Really stuck out to me for sure. So that's super cool. I like these things off to the right. You got that right in the center, northwest or kind of west to that huge crater. You got this kind of long line with an arm or another thing sticking down. Oh, sorry. So they got a few little interesting areas right there. Let's see, I think I'm maxed. Yeah, I am. I'm maxed out. I'm shooting at 4 times zoom on the phone, and then 8mm on the eyepiece. Look right there in the center. Almost looks like we might have a structure there. Kind of looks like a upside down L. Definitely rectangular. So I think we got a real good shot there. We also have some smaller, what I'm going to call structures right now that seem to have some shape to them. Right there in the center. I know you got to let your eyes adjust, and plus we got the atmospherics affecting this too. Okay, let's go. Let's zoom out just a little bit, give us a better perspective of where we're at. Yeah, so you already know we definitely have to go to this area here, but let me take a picture. Beautiful. Alright, let's go in. We got just a little more zoom, but look at this. Look at what we got going on here. Yeah, man, that's wild. That's wild. Let's see, how much more zoom do we have? That's it. Just look for yourself. You can see there's some definitely cool stuff going on. Alright, we'll zoom back out a little bit. zoom into this area. Oh yeah, very cool. Actually, let me get a picture there. Yeah, that's cool, man. That dark area right there. Real bright stuff going on in there. Real bright. Let's zoom in as much as we got. Yep. Look at that. That's fucking wild, man. There's something else I saw down here. A trench. Yep, right here. Looks like it has... maybe it's just a little ridge of mountains or something, but... anyway, let's zoom back out. Not much, just a little bit. So we have this huge crater with a structure in the middle. It's like a thin shadow to the right of it. But that thing definitely goes up, turns left, then goes up again, kind of like a lightning bolt. And there's some long strip structure on the left. Very, very strange. Now let's go ahead and let's zoom back in. Let's get some pretty close up shot of the moon, and then we'll adjust as needed. Got a real large cluster of craters coming up. Let's look inside of this crater the best that we can. Okay. Definitely got a little U-shaped structure inside of that crater right there. The one further south. Definitely got something going on there. Got some more lights over here. And got something going on in this weird shaped crater. Something's lit up in there. A little bit fuzzy, but definitely something there. Let's zoom back out. This is strange. We got four. This is max zoom. We got like these four things coming out right there in the center, right there. 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of like legs or arms or some type of thing coming out of some, I don't know if it's the structure, but it looks like a hole in the side of a mountain or something. Got a lot going on right there. Oh wow, look at this. Let's zoom in for this one. There's a structure right there in the middle, going right over, up and over that crater, it looks like. That's very strange. Right there in the center, below, look at the top center, you got that large crater, and below that, you got this white thing coming up and kind of curving up and to the left. That's insane. Alright, let's zoom in all the way. That's all I got. We'll zoom out a little bit. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Give us most of the zoom. Not all of it, most of it though. See some right angles down in there. Doesn't 100% mean anything, but it's just strange. Yeah, man. Wow, look at the terminator line. I mean, we got a lot of lights and activity going on. Let's zoom in on this right here because that just looks like, I don't know, it goes in a pretty symmetrical form, like a real long M if you're looking, turn your head. But that ridge right there is kind of jagged. Definitely has some shit going on there. That is so cool. I guess we'll just stay on the terminator line because it's got a lot of good stuff. For the rest of the video, we'll come back and hit the left side and then call it good. Here's a good, coming in perfectly centered right there. Let me try to stop it. You can see there's some jagged lines. It look to create 90-degree angles. And that's max zoom, so I'm going to let that steady. Check that out. Beautiful shit, man. Coming up to the north side now, we've got these nice 3 craters all in a little group right there. Pretty cool. Oh shit, dude. Alright, cool, cool, cool. Here we go. Now check this out. Right there in the center. Alright, you got like this long rectangle thing coming towards us, right? As you're watching, it's coming straight towards you. And then off to the right, something goes off like a corridor or something like that. I could be wrong. But it's fun to speculate sometimes. There's just all kinds of stuff going on right up in this part of the moon. Look over here on the terminator line coming into center right now. Look at that, dude. What is all this shit? That's wild. Let's back out just a touch. Now we can kind of see everything in a group. Beautiful shot, man. And then we'll move back in. Max zoom, finish out the moon here. Let me focus. Sorry about that. Oh, okay, I'm actually going to drop the brightness. Okay. And here we come to the northern tip of the moon, at least as far as we're going to be able to see for tonight. And we got some of the same effect going on as the south side, where it looks like just a strip of lights. So that is really, really, really cool. Alright, let's zoom it out just a little bit. We'll just kind of slowly go over some of the areas we may have passed up, take a few pictures along the way. Check this out real quick. it, guys. I mean, that's the moon at 20% on October 2nd, 2019. So, let's zoom back out. Man, look at that. That's just crazy, that little thing right there. I'll have to look more into that. Anyway. Alright. Thanks for sticking with me through this video. Just taking you through a quick tour of the moon and some areas of interest. So, other than that, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.